How you doing, everybody? My name is Wilfredo with Fresh Start and Fresh Start University. I'm here at our second annual Youth Auto Detailing Workshop, where we're correlating life's process to auto detailing.
I'm excited to host this workshop for kids to give them an opportunity of career paths early on. This workshop will not only help them learn about the industry, but also give them a glimpse of curiosity of potentially sparking a future career in the automotive world.
I think giving back to the youth in our next generation through auto detailing was something that it was a no-brainer for me to partner up with these other detailers and bring this detailing workshop together.
I think this workshop, it was pretty fun. It was something different and I really enjoyed it. You know, I got to learn something new. I could actually do something with it and make some money.
My experience in this, it was pretty nice. I like the fact that I learned some new things about cars and detailing.
I'd recommend this to a friend since it's like, I live in the city, so not many kids my age, or like at all, know anything about this, so.
Are you looking to pursue a career in detailing and looking for a mentor and trainer? Get in contact with us. We'll see how we can help you.